Hi, I am Hiral. Welcome to our channel Computer Sarthi. Please subscribe our channel and press the bell icon.
Hello students, today we are going to start with the new chapter Microsoft PowerPoint 2007. Microsoft PowerPoint is one of the well-known presentation software. Then what is presentation? Presentation means a systematically display of the information along with the graphics, animation and sound that are displayed together on the screen. Presentation means the systematic delivery of the any information along with the graphics, sound and the animation which is available on the screen or the computer screen. Let us see we are use this presentation and what is the use of this presentation and how can we create this PowerPoint presentation. Start with the uses of the presentation. A presentation is a method of effective communication. Teachers, professors, students, political readers and the self-representative makes presentation to explain a various concepts to the audience. PowerPoint slide. A presentation consists of a number of slides. A slide represents a page in a presentation. We can present these slides in the form of the slideshow, which is an electronic presentation displayed on a computer screen. Let us see how to open PowerPoint 2007. First, click on the Start button. Click on the All Programs. Here you can able to see one folder named MS PowerPoint. Simply click on it. And here you can able to see the Microsoft Office PowerPoint 2007. Simply just click a mouse left button once on it. Here you can able to see the window of the Microsoft PowerPoint 2007. This one is known as a home screen. Here you can able to see the different component of the MS PowerPoint. First one is a office button. Here by clicking on it we can able to create a new presentation. We can open an existing presentation. We can save our presentation. We can take a printout of our presentation. Next one is a quick access toolbar. By using this quick access toolbar we can able to save our presentation. Next one is a ribbon. By using ribbon we can able to create a presentation. Next one is a placeholder, as you can see in the screen. Next thing is a slide, which you can able to see in the screen also. And the last important thing is the status bar. By using this status bar, we can able to see the different views which is available in the PowerPoint presentation. And also we can able to zoom in and zoom out our presentation by using this plus and the minus arrow, which is available on the status bar. Let's create a new presentation. For creating a new presentation, simply click on the Office button and simply click on the New option. After clicking on the New option, you can able to see the different ways by using which we can able to create a presentation. Blank and recent, install templates, install themes, my templates, new from the existing. We already learnt about this a blank and recent presentation in our previous class. This blank and recent presentation is by default selected for the any presentation. As you can see, first let us create this blank presentation. So I am selecting the blank presentation from here and simply this create button. After clicking on the create button, you can able to see the window of the blank presentation. This blank and recent presentation option creates a presentation with the white background and the black text. In this PowerPoint presentation having a different layouts. Layouts is the method of arranging things or object on the slide. By using this layout, we can able to arrange our text or the object that we inserted into our slide. We can able to arrange that things. Normally, this layout consists of the placeholder for the different types of object or text. In MS PowerPoint 2007, having a different layouts. Here you can able to see one option that is layout. Simply click on it. After clicking on it, you can able to see the different layout of the presentation. The current layout is selected from it. The current one is a title slide. Here having a title and contain, section header, to contain, comprehension, title only, blank, content with caption, picture with caption. We can able to select any of the layout from it and we can make our own presentation. Let us change the layout of the presentation. The current slide having a layout is a title slide layout. Instead of it, I am going to choose this picture with caption layout. Simply click on it. After clicking on it, you can able to see picture with the caption layout. It appears on the slide. Again, if you don't like this layout, then again you can able to change this. Simply click on the home tab, choose the layout option, and you can able to change the layout. I am going to change the title and contain. After clicking on title and content layout, you can able to see the layout that we selected there is visible over here. We saw that how can we able to create a blank and recent presentation as well as how can we change the layout of the any presentation. Now we will see about how can we create a presentation by using installed templates. Simply click on Office button, New. Here you can able to see the second option, that is a installed template option. Simply click on it. After click on it, you can able to see the different types of the templates which is already readily available in the MS PowerPoint 2007. I am going to select this third one. After selecting the third one, you can able to see the preview of the presentation or the template over here. After seeing this, here if you want to create, then simply click on the create option, or if you are not creating, then select the any other presentation template available over here. So I am going to create with this, so I am simply click on the create option. Here you can able to see the whole presentation is readily available. We just have to put our pictures according to our requirement and add the titles or the data or the text according to our requirement. Then what is this installed template presentation? As you can see that the presentation also having a saved different themes and the layout that help to do our work easily and quickly. That means installed templates are the saved presentation which include a different themes and layout that help to do our work quickly and easily. As we saw that a different kind of different ways to creating the presentation. So second one is a installed templates that we already saw. Now we are going to see about the installed themes. Same, simply click on the Office button, New, and the new from the new you just have to select the installed themes option. Here you can able to see the different kind of the themes available in the MS PowerPoint 2007. You can select any of them. So I am going to select this paper option, and you can able to see preview over here. Simply click on the create option and you can able to see the presentation having a installed theme. What is installed theme then? Themes are the set of the predefined format of the text, color scheme and the graphic effect. That means by selecting this installed theme option, we can able to create a presentation with the predefined set of the design, format of text, color of text and the graphics effect which is readily available in the MS PowerPoint 2007.
Please subscribe our channel and press the bell icon.